Alright, let's skip the introduction and dive straight into the demo. So before you begin, ensure you have selected the Python interpreter here. And if you prefer not to use your real Python interpreter and you want to create the virtual environment, so I'm assuming you are already aware of that, how to create the virtual environment because you are watching the very complex video like carrying the video insight from the GPT. So creating the virtual environment is a very basic step. All right. So now let's proceed with the demonstration. In the initial window, we are showcasing the sample video. This is the video we are gonna send to the OpenAI LLM. Obviously, we'll not send the video directly. Before sending the video, we will do some processing. Okay, so since this is my computer, I should be the star of all the show in the sample video. After all, I look good enough to be in a sample video, I guess. Okay, so we got a second window. All right, so here we will write our prompt, and let me copy it from here. I have said it already. Okay, all right. These are frames from a video, and I want to know the details. What happened? Is there any person in the video? If yes, is it a boy or a girl? Are they wearing a suit? So let's wait for the results. Ah, we got the results. So based on the sequence of images provided, it appears to be the blah 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 blah. First, yes. Okay, so the first image shows us standing in the doorway for building labeled Mannat Hotel. The second image shows the person stepping down the street outside the building. Yes, this is true. I'm the person. Okay, so it seems working. All right. So if you want to get this, if you want to get the code, please visit github/rameshwar Rahman 007, where you will find the repository GPT Video Insights. All right.